Water, the ever-present element, can turn from friend to enemy, fountain of life to menace of catastrophic proportions. Our homes are also subject to the danger created by water. Foundations, floors, terraces, walls that leak will always lead to stains, peelings, mold, and mildew. How can we shield ourselves from this? Today, it is possible with Tefond. Tefond was designed by a leading company in the construction industry, Tema. Tema's headquarters are found in Vittorio Veneto, in the Po Valley at the foot of the Dolomites. Top-flight professional skills and strong experience sum up this company, a company that, thanks to the use of high-tech automated machinery, has established itself as a major player in this competitive field. Tema has created a total anti-dampness system made up of the following. Tefond for wall and floor protection. Tefond Plus for waterproofing. Tefond HP for waterproofing and draining of large-scale construction works. Accessories for an innovative application that's quick and easy. Tefond is definitely the most advanced waterproofing system around. Here are 4 great reasons to use it from today on. With traditional, horizontally applied waterproofing products, much is wasted and holes are created in the middle of the wall. Tefond is the first product of its kind that gets applied vertically because it's attached only on top. This type of application can waterproof walls of any height. Tefond is the first membrane that can be interlocked using the easy overlaps, single or double, for simple protection or waterproofing. Using a plastic hammer, Tefond can be installed quickly, easily, and without the need of specialized workers. Tefond is the only product of its kind to be supplied in one size only, 2.07 meters by 20 meters. Thanks to the vertical application, calculating the amount of product needed is easier and stock can be reduced, with a subsequent reduction in overhead. Tefond Plus has an adhesive strip built into its overlap so as to guarantee the waterproofing of the seal and thus the whole system. Tefond Plus is an airtight block against water, moisture, and vaporous pressure. Thanks to its particular structure, Tefond can be used in various situations, from single homes in foundations and floors where it assures a constant recirculation of air while eliminating rising moisture, to sprawling industrial parks all the way up to open lots and underground garages where water seepage is highly likely. Here the slab does not come into contact with the ground. Tefond protects it from the moisture below. To avoid serious damage in foundations and walls, Tefond can be applied where rainwater abounds, since it permits a perfect runoff. Tefond also creates an airflow channel which keeps the wall surface dry. Applied to walls covered with sheath, Tefond protects the waterproofing, avoiding any laceration that the ground materials may cause. With damp walls, Tefond is the ideal solution for the restoration. Applying Tefond to the damaged walls, the airflow corridor makes sure that the moisture is drawn out. These walls can then be finished with plaster, asbestos cement, or matchboard. Perfect for walls or slabs, Tefond creates an airflow corridor thanks to the special half-moon structure, guaranteeing a ventilation effect between the damp slab and its covering. Used on terraces, Tefond Plus protects the bituminous sheath forms a perfect support for all finishing materials and assures a perfect runoff for the water. Thanks to its concave structure, Tefond has fantastic acoustic dampening qualities, making it possible to reduce footstep noise by about 14 decibels. HDPE creates an impenetrable wall against gases, so Tefond Plus, applied on ground level walls and in underground rooms, blocks dangerous radon gas from entering. Tefond HP was designed to meet the waterproofing and dampness protection needs of large-scale construction works such as roads, highways, and tunnels. Tefond HP, used in construction roads, greatly improves structure performance while granting a 25% reduction in the layers used, creating consequent savings in materials, manpower, and execution time. Tefond HP also acts as an anti-pollutant and moisture blocker. Tefond HP in roads separates and redistributes the load, raising by 46% the load capability if compared to a similar structure with no reinforcement. Thus, little or no deformation occurs when heavy loads are carried. Tefond HP, when used in tunnels with permanent water seepage, assures a perfect waterproofing and runoff. The structure is completed with an internal covering with cement welded web for hold. Placed on the arch of a tunnel in construction, Tefond HP waterproofs the structure while draining the runoff, avoiding costly damage to the structure itself. For all these reasons, when you buy Tefond, you're buying the most advanced solution against water and dampness penetration, put on the market by a company with years of experience behind it. To highlight the winning features of Tefond, an effective display is available. A comprehensive and constant ad campaign backs the product. A number of internationally renowned labs certified the mechanical and functional capabilities of Tefond, such as an exceptional compression resistance level, and these certificates place it at the top of its league. And this quality, synonymous with Tefond, is something designers and professionals in this field will no longer be able to do without. Tefond, to waterproof in a flash.